What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to get the LAN to work on the ROG STRIX B550-F Gaming motherboard with Wi-Fi. So let's get into this. For starters, you're going to need a second computer before any of this starts, and you're going to have to download this wireless driver. I'll leave the link in description for the website here to get the driver. And you're going to have to put it on a USB. You're going to unzip it on your main computer, just drag the main folder into a USB, and then there'll be an install, like a .bat file somewhere in that. You're going to right click it, run it as administrator, go through the motions, normal download, right? Or install. Now next you're going to need Armory Crate downloaded. You can't download this until you have a 1809 version of Windows installed and or Wi-Fi. So that's why we got Wi-Fi out of the way. So firstly, you're going to want to go to Windows settings, go through the normal, motions of all of that. Just go down to here, updates and security, and just install all of them all the way up to 1809. If it doesn't install, you're going to have to manually install the Windows installer from the Microsoft Store and just manually install 1809. It should be very easy. Just run the installer. It does it automatically for you. So after you do all that, you're going to have your LAN drivers, or you're going to go to Armory Crate, install this. There'll be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one down, and you're just going to check mark all these and click download and install. Once you do that, you're going to think, I can just restart the computer and it will fix it. Well, unfortunately, that doesn't fix it. So you're going to actually go from the back of your case. You'll have the on and off switch on your PSU. You're going to turn that off after you restart your computer and run Windows again. So you're just going to shut it down after you restarted originally, and you're going to hit your back port of your power supply and turn it off, and then turn it back on, and your computer should show up your LAN. Otherwise, it just wasn't showing for me, and that's what fixed, so hopefully it works. Thank you, guys.